Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download files on Telegram even when your screen is off. If you've ever started a big download and then realized it never finished because your phone went to sleep, you're definitely not alone. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up your phone and Telegram app so your downloads keep running smoothly in the background. No more interruptions, no more wasted time. Let's get started right away. Telegram is actually built to handle background downloads by default, but sometimes they stop if your phone's battery optimization or data saver settings get in the way. So it's not the app itself, usually it's just a couple of settings that need a quick tweak. First up, we'll double-check Telegram's in-app settings. Grab your phone and open up Telegram. Head over to Settings, then tap on Data and Storage. Take a moment to scroll down to the section called Automatic Media Download. This is where Telegram decides what to download automatically, whether you're on mobile data or Wi-Fi. Tap on Using Mobile Data first, and then Using Wi-Fi separately. Go through the list of media types, photos, videos, files, and make sure each one is toggled on if you want Telegram to download them in the background. This tells Telegram exactly what it's allowed to grab for you and when. Now, here's a little detail that often gets missed, the background download option. You'll usually find it in the same data and storage menu. Make sure it's turned on. This lets Telegram keep downloading even when you navigate away from the app or when your screen goes dark. It's a simple switch but essential for uninterrupted downloads. Alright, onto the second and really crucial step. Adjusting your Android system settings. Most Android phones control battery life by restricting how much apps can do in the background, so we need to make sure Telegram isn't being held back. Head out of Telegram and open your phone's main settings. Find Apps, or sometimes it's called Apps and Notifications, or just Applications depending on your device. Tap to open the list and find Telegram. Next, open up battery settings for Telegram. You might see options like battery usage or optimize battery usage. What you're looking for is something labeled battery optimization. Here you want to set Telegram to unrestricted or choose don't optimize. This tells your phone it's okay for Telegram to keep working in the background even when you're not actively using your phone. If you see a toggle for background data anywhere in mobile data and Wi-Fi or data usage details, make sure that's enabled too. This is especially important if you switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi a lot. Last key step, check your phone's power-saving modes. Sometimes, a system-wide power saver will ignore your app-by-app settings and cut off background activity to save juice. Slide down your quick settings or go to battery settings in your phone's menu and make sure things like power saver mode or low power mode are switched off. If you're worried about battery drain, you can always re-enable these later, but for big downloads, it's a good idea to have them off while your files are transferring. Alright, that's all there is to it. Once you've set this up, Telegram should be able to keep downloading files in the background, even if you put your phone down and let the screen turn off. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Got a question or ran into a glitch? Drop a comment below, I'm always happy to help out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.